Hello everyone, this is the fourth video of acids, bases and salts, and in this video we are going to discuss indicators. So what are indicators? Indicators are the chemical substances which change their color when they come in contact with an acid or a base. So they generally change their color when they come in contact with acid or base. So that's how we can identify whether a substance is acid or base. So from there the name indicator came, that because they can indicate whether a substance is acid or base. Now there are two types of indicators. One is common acid base indicators and other is universal indicator. So what are common acid base indicators? The common acid base indicators are those indicators which can identify whether a substance is acid or base, but they cannot identify the acidic or basic strength, means how much acidic or basic a substance is. So generally they cannot find out what is the pH value of that particular acid or base. However, they can give you information about being acid or base. So there are some examples like litmus. So litmus, blue litmus turns red with base. So remember, base turns blue litmus red and red litmus turns blue with acid. So acid turns red litmus blue. So if red litmus turns blue, it is acid. If blue litmus turns red, it is base. Then there are so many other examples like methyl orange. Natural color of methyl orange is orange, and when it comes in contact with acids, means acids make methyl orange red, and bases turn methyl orange yellow. So remember, with bases it becomes yellow, with acids it becomes red. One more indicator which is used widely, that is phenolphthalein. So its natural color, actually it is colorless, and when it comes in contact with acids, means with acids its color does not change, means it remains colorless, but when it comes in contact with bases it becomes pink. So you have to remember these few common acid base indicators. They may be asked in exam. Now the next is universal indicator. So there is a small difference between common acid base indicators and universal indicator. Universal indicator, obviously it gives you the information about being acid or base of a substance, but the information about the acidic or basic strength of an acid or a base, means it can give you the approximate pH value of an acid or a base. How? So let's see, suppose, as we know, we have some acids have 0 to 7, pH of acid is 0 to 7, these substances are acid. Now if pH is 7 to 14, the substance is base, but if pH is 7, the substance is neutral. So you have to remember this, you already know this. So if pH is less than 7, the substance is acid. If pH is greater than 7 up to 14, the substance is base, but if pH is 7, the substance is neutral. Now as you know, we can have pH from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to 14, 8, 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So we can have the pH of a substance from 0 to 14. If the pH of a substance is 7, means if the substance is neutral, the universal indicator becomes green. So at different pH it will show different colors, like at 7 it will show green color. Now on moving here it becomes yellow, then it becomes orange, and when the substance is highly acidic it becomes red. Similarly, as the pH increases and the substance becomes basic, then the color changes to blue. More basic, it becomes indigo, and more basic it becomes violet. So you can see at different pH the universal indicator will show different colors. So that is how we can identify the pH of a substance. So that is the huge difference between universal indicators and common acid base indicators. So hope you have understood this topic. If you have any doubts, please watch the video once again, and if you want to ask any question, if you have any queries, please ask me the questions in the comments. Thank you very much.